Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. I'm hanging around with young people of our country. Dumelang.
Dumelang.
Dumela ausi.
Dumelang.
Ki bua le bomang.
Nna ke nna Phuti wa Mnyebodi.
Phuti? You?
Khomotso wa ganong.
Khomotso wa ganong. Wena moso wa gesho wena umkono wa ntshidi khulu. Nangu umhlolo. Nangu umtshana wami la. Tate mkhulu waka utswa ko Marapiane. Ke banong. Hai asasi yabona phambili. Tell me your story. What's your story?
Story sa rena, it's all about go tshwarwa po.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ba le tshwere jwang po?
We're working that side of taxi rank.
Yeah.
Area Festival Mall.
Yeah.
And then while we were working, ne ke bolela ka phone le mama Khomotso. And then ke be ke mmotsa ke re moreling it's not safe. Re tla re fitla ko ntlong ra dia call back or ra phone if re na le airtime. After ho bia phone mo potleng ke he ke thulana le this other lady ke ya bua ka phone ya ka mo potleng. Then ka be ka le mo no motho o lantula a boya ka phone ya ka. Ke be ke mmotsa ke re awa le jere phone ya ka he re sa ra bolela ke he o tla this other guy a pointa Khomotso ka sethunya. And they were like to me, if I scream ba mutuncha, so I have to give them everything in the right way. So they took our phones and our purse with all her IDs, student cards, our Capitec banks.
Little neng go Gauteng ko Johannesburg.
Last year, December, ne?
Yeah.
And then we had to move here this year. I go EWC and then nakatsana skolo ko Pitori. But because ne ke rata ho phela le yena, I decided to re ke nya go dula Kempton Park because next I skolong every day. So I can travel maybe gabedi mo bekeng ke skolong ko Pitori. So ka tla ka dula le yena le ausi wa rena mo.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So ha le tla ko Jozi ne? Ke eng le tlisang mo?
ke education.
Education. Le ithutela eng?
Gore re tla re gone ho bereka le rena re be le a few.
O ithutela eng?
Nna
Yeah.
ne ke tsena ko Tshwane College ke dia rewriting, matric rewriting.
Oh, matric rewriting. And then when ausi?
Na ke tsena EWC ke dia mechanical engineering.
Oh, o ithutela eng wena?
Ke dia mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Okay. Ke a lekwa. So after experience ya o tshwariwa po le ikutlile jwang, and I believe maybe it's the first experience ne since le gola, so also it's been to tshwanang le Eric butse wena ausi es ba o supile ka sethunya gore how was the situation ka nako eo?
Le no is antara somehow because kana hore no tlo irelang enkabe aska dumela ba fa phone or ano thuntsha. Well, ba mpotsa hore maybe sethunya sela ne le toy or eng mara nna ke gotlile ke cheap ke kole cheap a press a re ke re mo re fedilo tse o di tshwereng ka moka ka mo. So ke letse ke letse sebaka ke letse blind. And then I had to accept or ke no le hore I'm safe so azanka ndia selo azanka wa tlhaga. Yeah, because nearly first time bios to nearly first time.
Yeah, and the phone it's like isanga rekiwa mara bophelo ba motho a borekiwa ke.
Exactly.
Yeah, what if o thunse in real life? Waitsi nakwe ke bua le batho ba le ba utsuba nyaope ke le bone le feta le lithu waitsi ka sense gore nka there's something ka lona so le khuphuka so la boya la ehla ganti you are in trouble. So when I see how was your feeling ka moment e o etsagala ke a bona to mutlule botlhoko walla tshore nalla le nako eo so wena no o fitse jwang
Okay, like cause like it was painful for me. It was too painful cause ke phitile yana like since we were young. So hebe ke nahana hore ba mo shupile ka sethunya. What if ba mo thuntshitse and then it happened, or maybe a felletse a le sepetlele, or maybe one day we are going to bury homotso like le nna le ke se shapo.
Yeah, no, ke le kwa di etsa etsi di fitile ne and then from more ke eng le batlang go bua ka yona le batlo reng after ntho e se etsagetse.
Now what I can say ke hore to every youth gore be careful where you go. Just open your eyes, especially to a place where you don't know it. Just be careful because you don't know what will happen. Even if you see someone bamudia something, just go and help because you don't know what will happen to you. Remember, life is a will. Ya change. You don't know what will happen to you during the day or maybe tomorrow. So what I can say to them, gore, be careful.
Okay. And then wena ke eng o rata go ibotsa batho ba lekanang le wena ba tswang ko magaeng ba tla ko Captain Park gore ba tla Johannesburg ba tlo ithuta gore ba tlo etsa maphelo a bona a be maphelo a gantle ba tlo kgona go le mesebetsi ba lekanang le lona. So go na le ngwana ke December wa tloga ko magaeng o tla Gauteng o tlo chaka o tlo enjoy ya iputsa gore ko Gauteng go mnati ke eng se o ka mmolelang sona.
First of all, like letšatši la gago la party o ka never le tseba kere. So ha re tloa kwa magaeng re tla Gauteng fele re nyako enjoya o ka se tla wa fitla nyako dula ka montlong the whole day. Yeah, you can go out, have fun, but ska phapela ndao because e tlo go batla like o tlo go bala. And guys skara like re skara tisarunda mo bathong ba bad. Sometimes re like re sarunda mo bathong ba lo re nana re batlo re benefita gantsi batlo re wisha. O kgetha ba go tsibula matlo. E ya le motho lo ro supporta through your bad days and your good days. Like guys, you can never know gore tlo tlhagana la tseba. You can never know shem. Ona le batho ba ntse ba lo re ba tlile mo ba ipotsa gore ba tlo nyaka education o tshwana le rena. And then motho end up a le strateng, motho end up a dia a rekisha mmele, motho end up a dia lo tse di bad because na sa tsebe gore tlo tlhallo tse di song. Yena ana like a ro o ya le minate ya le fast. Mama go phela mpotsa a re minate never fail. Ke greile ke tlogela. So ke ska ya le minate. O tlo ba le nako mo le gore o tlo iphina, but then for now re salva banyane. Are like are nyakeng something e lore batho ba re bona ba tlo re hawo o dile something mo lifeng before tsamaya, before anything e tlhaga mo wena. Like nna no ke shupilwe ka sethunya ne ke sa tse gore ke tlo shupiwa ka sethunya. Ne ke ngwala buka ka ne le the life I got to experience. Ne ke bolela ka nna ke na le low self esteem nna. Ne ke bolela ka di chiwana bana ba tlhoka batswadi hore like sometimes le bona o kre motho e le street kid only to find out gore o tla isheile kwa gae before a tlo ba moki yena a re o tshabela mathata ko lapeng gore a tla gone ba free mo strateng. So like ne ke bolela gape le ka gore re ska ra jajana ska jaja motho just because o no mo lebella fela nje. And like a ke tsebe mara like wena so like ne ke ro o tsotsi like for no bona mo TV fela ne ke ro o tsotsi like in real life o so, but then go bona how bolela le batho ba le mo strateng gore like you wanna do something, you wanna change the way le rena re nya go change ang ka gona. Every time na le Cindy na le Putine ha re tsamaya o Crme be re na le change nyana, so ra ba fa mo strateng ra ba fa maybe di juice ra ba fa dijo cause ra tsare a se ba tkgethele batho ba le 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 gore ba tekgethetše maybe ne ba sena choice back then but then ke tla reng
Yeah, why see everything happens for a reason. Akiri bali supeng ka sthunya bali nkele di phone. Mara kiri everything happens for a reason. Le sa supiwa ka sthunya ne le never le kopane le nna.
ya vele
Ne? Ene bonang botlhale ba lona. Why see ha ko theleditse wena o bulela man. Gore bana kaofela ba ka nagana o tshwana le wena. You are a great young person in South Africa wena. You are so brilliant, you are intelligent. You spoken about something. You spoke about bad friends. You spoke about how you must hang around with people who add value in your life. People who don't have a potential mo bophelong bao. La ba ka ba le tšhelete. If they don't make an impact in your life, they don't support you through thick and thin, good times and bad times, then those are not good friends for you. Ase batho ba o tshwantse o phele le bona bao. Ene ke ntwe ke e boneng gore re na lo senya nako ka maphela rona mo lefatsheng re phela le batho re nagana gore ke batho ba tla re thusang gande ke batho ba re gatellang. Bona ba tswella pele rona re tswelle pele mara re ntse re ba salla morao nkare re mesela ya bona. You've attached that and go on with your book. Puka ya gago it's very inspirational. Ungwala ka ditshiwana bana you've spoken gore bana ba bang ga go ba dula strateng because ba choositse ba bang ba nagana gore ha ba tshabela mathata ko gae. How ya strateng life will be better. Ke ba ke kopane le bona ke bulela le bona mole. O mong o tsona le depression papa ga e committee le society. A tsuwa di drugs are we are strateng ke a mutisa depression felile a ya fela depression. Ke le wishetsa gore bophelo ba lona bo be gantle. O achieve chemical engineering ya ga o ilo etsa di petrol o qhobeke le wena se o ithutelang sona o tswelle pele o sa tloela. And then I would like to encourage you ka low self esteem ya gago I overcome nkareng ko wena how do you overcome a low self esteem? You are beautiful, you are perfect. Actually no one is perfect mo lefatsheng. A gona motho tlo mo tholang o perfect, never. Le o bona nkare o perfect, no perfect. So e ba le courage about life, e ba le confidence. Nna ke bone ngwana o tlhalefileng o felletseng mama ga o advice tse gantle a re menate ya I fail re thotse le teng mo lefatsheng ene re tlo share le teng. You are young. Msebetsi wa lona gona jwanong is to find yourself where you belong. Chemical engineering, whatever you are doing, achieve. After achieve, itlo tla nako. Ene nako ilo fitla ile thole le monate. Wa itse batho ba tjagileng. Batho ba tjagileng ba re ba tlo have fun. Aba have fun because ba tjagile and ha ba qualify, ha ba na le di qualification tsa have fun. Lona fun ilo fitla le na le di qualifications tsa have fun. A kere na le di qualification tsa acquire a certain job. And you've strived to get those qualifications. You went to school and then you were qualified to work. Live fun is the same thing. You need to qualify to have fun. You need qualifications to have fun. The qualifications to have fun, get the responsibilities, get the resources, get maturity. There's a lot of things that are required. that will make you qualify to have fun. O ka se lo have fun o sena tšhelete. O ka se lo have fun o le irresponsible. O ka se lo have fun o se ready to have fun. So you advise very well. Ke a leboga ne. Thank you. I wish you good luck. Living safe. Lastly, for the safety tips. What can you say to young people? Safety tips.
What I can say ke hore, don't let a stranger, motho e le horeng a o mo tsebe, especially when coming to the banks, don't let a stranger to help you.
Yes.
Even le mo tseleng, don't let anyone to help you, because sometimes you can be kind only to find out hore they will do you bad things.
Yes.
That's what I can tell young people.
Yeah. That's powerful. Strangers.
Kore like be aware of your environment. Mo tsamayang like o ska tsamaya carelessly so wa ipotsa gore wena o tseba pleke like o sharp o safe. You can never know. Like lona di phone ne the way ba re tletseng di phone ka gona guys shin di phone ko ntlong a ke tsebe. Yeah, nna ne re phela re share di phone like that day like ne re sa tsebe gore wa tlo re tšela tsona. But then yeah, no ba safe nje.
Okay, re a lebogane. O mokone o tswang kae?
Ke tswa ga Matlala go mo school.
Oh, ha Matlala. Okay, yeah. Ako Shasha ne. That surname, it's my grandfather's surname. Mara ba tswa ko Marapiane. A ke bo mokone ba ntšhidi kgolo. Ke ba nong. A re nongu ke nonyane kgole jang nonyane tse ding. Ke ntate mogolo wa ka. A re o tseba le nong gore keng. Ke rai. A ra ke nonyane kgolo e jang tse ding. Ke rena bao. Mandrebele manye. Ke manong. Yeah. No. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A podcast with Israel Matseke Zulu. Kwala.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.